Hello, I am Ali and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be discussing about the biggest scholarship application mistake you people make when you are searching for the scholarship and you are planning to apply for the scholarship. I will also discuss how can you fix this mistake. Most of us, when we start scholarship applications, we don't do any research. And without doing any proper research, what we do, we start sending email or messages to the professors. For example, we see some YouTube video about a scholarship and then we want to apply for it. We just go to LinkedIn, for example, and we see the profiles of the professors there. And when we see the profile of the professor is relevant to our area of interest or relevant to our previous degree, we just send him an email that I am interested in this scholarship and I want to apply for the scholarship and please send me an acceptance letter for this scholarship. Or sometimes we see that some professors post some helpful scholarship posts. So they just share the scholarship post. It's not that they have that scholarship. They don't mention those scholarships on their websites, that they have those scholarships in their own labs. So what we think is that the scholarship will be provided by the professor, and we send them email that we are interested in applying for the scholarship. So these are the mistakes, and this is the basic mistake actually, that we don't do the research. And what is the outcome? That we send too many emails but we don't get any reply from the professors because our way of applying is totally wrong. So now I'm going to tell you how can you fix this mistake. To fix this mistake is a very important step towards a successful application. So let us talk about how to fix it. So the important thing is that you need to subscribe to famous scholarship websites, or you need to subscribe to some websites where usually research is published or research is shared. For example, researchgate.net is a website where you can just make your ID, and then what you can do is you can subscribe to some specific scholarships. You can make sure that you list your area of interest, yeah, the country in which you are interested in applying for the scholarship, and then you subscribe on the website. Similarly, you can do it for the LinkedIn or other famous scholarship websites. So this is the first step you need to do to make sure that you are applying for the right scholarship, or you don't make the no research mistake. The second thing you need to be very careful is university scholarship pages you need to visit. And if you find a scholarship there provided by the university, then you can send the email to the professors. I don't recommend to send too many emails to many different professors relevant to the department in which you are interested to apply for the scholarship, but you can try two or three maximum in that department. If the scholarship is provided by the university, then you can send an email to the professor about the acceptance letter for that scholarship. The third thing is you can visit the professor's web pages, and you have to carefully see that the scholarship announcement given there is in the professor's lab and he is asking you to send the CV to him, or he is asking to apply to him. Then what you will do, you will send the CV or whatever he has asked on his website to him to apply for that scholarship. Another thing, sometimes you people see just the scholarships post and just you start to put the comments in the post, like for example on LinkedIn. Don't do that. That will not give you any chance to get a scholarship, because hundreds of thousands of the students do that. Carefully read the scholarship and also make sure that what are the guidelines provided about applying for that scholarship, and then follow those. Eh, for the questions, you can write in the comments. If you have liked this video, so please do like it, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you are interested in applying for Hong Kong fully funded scholarships, which are one of the prestigious scholarships for the international students from all over the world, with a very good and very handsome kind of monthly stipend, which is 35,000 USD, uh, 3,500 USD per month. So you can have view of the video in the comment section, and then you can apply for that after following the procedure.